Hello guys! Bye-bye na guys. Mamaalam na tayo sa kanya. Bye Zino. Bye-bye
Bye.
my love. See you next year.
See you next year, guys.
Ihatid
Okay?
natin siya sa airport guys sa Naiya International
Love you.
Airport.
And I love
Terminal
Philippines.
1.
Be next year here with my lovely Rico.
Yes, of
My lovely
course.
Rico next year. I love
Ay.
you guys.
We are here in Clark guys. Sasakay kami ng bus dito. Mula dito papuntang Terminal 3. Direct na siya ng Terminal 3.
See you next year. Mamad family.
Bye-bye everyone. As you can see guys, ito yung SM Clark, Pampanga. And together with my husband, Zino. I like your style, huh? Outfit check. Pa-outfit check tayo sa'yo. Pang second hand clothing. Yung damit niya, guys, yung binigay niya ng
Mention this.
binigay ng kaibigan ko. Sinuot niya. So this one. Ano yung Clark guys? So, Clark. SM Clark. So, bye-bye guys. See you later. Tawid tayo dyan. We'll get in some money. Kuha ka naman yung pera guys kasi pangbayad namin sa bus.
My lovely he buy clothing for me.
Yes, love you,
Bye
baby.
guys. I love you. I love you too, baby. Bye bye. See you guys next year.
Yeah, bye-bye.